Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you the wig of the week. Every Saturday or Sunday I'll be sharing the wig of the week or my favorite wig of the week, and I just want you to comment down below if you like it, if you don't like it, and also if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay?
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me